Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to do a oil change on the lawn tractor. It's needed. Today I have my son with me. I am going to be teaching him how to do the oil change. And he has his own YouTube video. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description down below. So if this is the types of videos that you like, please hit the subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up if this helps you out in doing your oil change. And if you hit the bell icon, you'll get notified every time I upload a video. So let's get started. Alright, today we have a John Deere E140. So it has the 22 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine in it. I know it says John Deere, but it actually is a Briggs & Stratton. So first off, we're going to drain the oil. Okay, so we're over here on the right side of the tractor where the drain is on this particular one. It is a little dirty, so he is going to clean the end off. Okay. Now, I don't know how well you can see here, but you need to push in and turn to the right. See if you can get that a little cleaner. See right there? See how there's a groove in there?
Yeah.
Get that groove clean.
Okay.
Okay, so do you see what you need to do with that?
Push it and turn.
Yep. So let's get the pan underneath there. It's supposed to hold 2 quarts, so make sure you have a pan big enough to hold 2 quarts. So, all right, go ahead. Okay, it's there. Now pull straight off. See how much of a mess we make on this. Oh, not too bad. All right, here's a rag for the thing. Set it on the floorboard for now. We'll get it cleaned off. To make it go a little faster, we're going to lift this so it gives it some air. You can see it actually sped it up there. As you can tell, the oil is kind of dirty on this one. So we're going to go ahead and let this drain for a few minutes, and then we'll come back and go to the other side and pull the oil filter. Alright, so it's done draining. We're going to go ahead and get the cap and everything back on here. He needs to clean the end there. Okay, we got that cleaned up. Now he's cleaning the cap itself so it's not covered in oil. Now we'll go ahead and get that back on. So you have to line it up with the little slot in here, and there is like a peg or something here, and you got to line that up and then push it on. So push it on and then turn left to lock it. Alright, now we'll go to the other side and get the oil filter. Alright, so we come over here to the left side where the oil filter is. I'm not sure how much of a mess this is going to make. And we have to get a pair of pliers here. I know this isn't the proper way to grip this, but it's what I got. Yeah, it's gonna make a mess. So we're gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up, and then we'll come back with the new filter. Alright, so we got the new filter here. We're gonna put a little coat of oil on the rubber O-ring. You always want to do that. That way it goes on smooth. So we'll give him a rag here so he can wipe his finger off. I'll hold the filter for him, and then we'll go ahead and get her spun on there. Now, I went with a little bigger filter for the filtering capabilities. So we're gonna have to move this hose just a little bit to make stuff fit. Alright, so we got that tightened up. This will fit nicely under there. We'll keep the gas hose up there. Everything will be out of the way. So now we'll go ahead and add the oil to her. Alright, so earlier we had pulled the dipstick, or cracked it open so it would drain faster. So we're going to go ahead and put the funnel in there. And we have exactly 2 quart left in our jug, and this takes 2 quart. Trust me, that don't happen very often. So let's go ahead and add the oil. I'm using a 1030 synthetic, the same oil I used in the log splitter. I bought a 5 quart jug, and that should be enough that to do most everything I had around here, and it worked out pretty good on this. So now we're going to pull the funnel out without dripping it everywhere. So now we're going to wipe the dipstick off and put it down in there and check it. Okay, it looks to be just a little low. Maybe we didn't have quite enough. So we're going to have to run to the store and grab a little more. Alright, so we're back from the auto parts store. We went and grabbed another 5 quart jug. I'm going to definitely be keeping some of this around here. So we're going to go ahead and top it off just a wee little bit more. A little bit. Okay, that's enough. Alright, let's see how that is. Okay, where's it at?
Oh, that looks
Can you
good.
I wonder if we can see in the camera. Yeah, it looks like it. Yep, looks good. Go ahead and put it in. Lock it in place.
How?
By turning it.
Which way? This way?
Yeah,
Oh, there
you
we
go. Now go ahead and we're going to get stuff cleaned up. We're going to start it and make sure we don't have any leaks. Alright, now we're going to check the oil one last time. Gonna wipe it off, put it down in again. Yep, wipe it off. That way the filter got filled now. Okay. Looks like it's just a fraction down, so we'll add just a wee little bit more and then we'll be done. Alright, so we got the oil change done. If this was helpful for you, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing. If you hit the bell icon, YouTube will inform you every time I upload a new video. And if you're interested in any gaming videos, his link will be in the description down below. You can check out his YouTube video. So until next time, you guys have fun out there. Enjoy life. Later.